Hey, it's Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and in this review, we're going to take a look at the Element 100. This is the 100-second fire extinguisher. Comes in a bag like this. So here's what the bag looks like. It's got a little hook hanger, so you can hook it in, hang it in the garage if you want.
That is not what that is for!
So the 100 is twice the size, roughly, of the 50, and the holder that it does come with is also roughly the same size as a like a Maglite. It's the D-cell Maglite. You can actually put a Maglite holder on these, which is what a lot of our Jeep folks are doing. And the 100 is, I mean, for 100 seconds of dispersion.
Long time, long time.
That can be the difference between getting out alive and not. Having this near you when you're out on the trail is essential. Most recreational facilities require you to have a fire extinguisher within hand's reach of the driver. And this Element fire extinguisher allows you to do that because it's so small, yet packs a lot of dispersion, a lot of time.
You put out the fire.
The Element is good for A, B, C, and K fires, and it is relatively lightweight. There's definitely some heft in there though. This is like a road flare, so you take the top off, you strike it, and it goes. There's no stopping it once it's going. My name's Ryan with Backroad Reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.